Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. This lesson is going to be quick and easy. We're going to learn how to draw lips. Okay, so right here I'm going to put my pencil on the paper and I'm going to draw light. Okay, you guys? So hold your pencil kind of loose. Don't draw, dark lines right away like this. We're going to do light lines, okay? So we can erase them. So we're going to draw a light heart shape. Can you see this? A light heart shape. And this is going to be the top lip. We're going to draw a couple of long ovals. Don't have to be perfect. They do not have to be perfect. And on the bottom, we're going to draw kind of a big fat oval and another big fat oval. See how I'm just using a loose grip on my pencil? I'm going to draw this heart to kind of fill in. And if you look really hard, you can start to see the shape of the lips. Okay, so now I'm going to come a little darker and start to outline the lip shape. So I'm going to follow. Okay. There's the bottom of the lip, there's the top of the lip, and lightly we're going to just follow these ovals that we've made. And bring those lips to a point. Bring those lips to a point out here. That line goes down. And once again, I'm holding my pencil really loose, you guys, really loose. And as you can see, it starts to make the shape of lips, okay? And on the side, we drew a couple of curves. And above here, we do another curve. Now with lips, the top lip is usually darker than the bottom lip. So we need to decide from which way is our light coming from, okay? Let's say the light could be the sun or it could be a light in the room. It's coming from this direction. So the bottom lip, we're going to have highlights. I'm going to draw a couple circles right here, my bottom lip. And the top lip always sticks out. It kind of sticks over the bottom lip, so it's shadowed. So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to start to scribble a shadow starting with the crease of my mouth, okay? I'm going to make that top lip a little darker. And it gets lighter as it goes to the top where the light is. And these highlights are going to stay white, but we're going to slowly shade around them. And at the bottom, we're going to do a couple of dark shadows. I'm going to kind of fill this in with pencil to create a shadow. What I like to do as well is use one of these, if you can see it. It's a bunch of paper that's been rolled around really tight. You can buy these at an art store. It's just paper that comes to a point, and I use it to blend. You kind of rub over the pencil to make a soft blend to create some shadows. So I soften that pencil. And when I want it to be lighter, I go over the pencil really light. When I want it to be darker, I push down and start to blend a little more. And this is just showing the basics of how to draw lips. You can go as detailed as you want. but I'm just showing you how to get the basic shape of the lip. Now I can start to erase some of these marks with my eraser to create some of the highlights. Get rid of the pencil marks if we want. Come back over with my blender with these. Get rid of some of these other these darker pencil marks. Blend some more. Just kind of play with the light. The light's coming here, so it's lighter up here and it's lighter on this lip and darker in the crease and over here on the other side of the lips. Okay. So it's casting a shadow over here. And up here's where the nose would begin. We won't go into the nose, we'll do that in another lesson. But you can kind of start to see where the nose might begin, right? We're focusing on the lips right now. So we have the basic shape of lips, darker upper lip and darker under the lip for the shadows. We get to decide where our light's coming from, so we know where the highlights are. And if we want to go through and make some details, we can start to throw in some lines with a pencil, just lightly, as you wish. You know, this is your drawing, you can do whatever you want, but I'm just gonna throw in some lines for the skin. If you look at your lips, there's these lines that kind of curve around and add shape. Add a little more dark over here. And that's basically it, you guys. You can, as you look at other people's lips or look at your own lips, start to notice the shape and start with a basic shape. We'll do it really quick. Start with a heart, oval, oval, bigger oval, bigger oval. And then you start to build in the lips around those simple shapes. I'm doing it really quick just to show you, but and there you go. So good luck, you guys. Enjoy drawing lips or learning and practicing, and join us again for another lesson on Hey Kids, Let's Draw.